Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
synovial fluid viscosity. Okay, in the synovial fluid viscosity, then where do you see normal viscosity of the synovial fluid? Normal viscosity of synovial fluid is seen in normal conditions or in traumatic arthritis or degenerative arthritis like in osteoarthritis. There will be normal viscosity. In pigmented villonodular synovitis, you will see normal viscosity of synovial fluid is seen in normal conditions, traumatic arthritis, degenerative arthritis and pigmented villonodular synovitis. Then we have decreased viscosity. Where do you see decreased viscosity of synovial fluid? Decreased viscosity of synovial fluid is seen in rheumatic fever. It is seen in rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, decreased viscosity of synovial fluid is seen in gout. It is seen in pyogenic arthritis. It is seen in tubercular arthritis. So decreased viscosity of synovial fluid is seen in rheumatic fever, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, pyogenic arthritis and tubercular arthritis.
thank you and thank you for watching.